Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art movie search app using React.js third party API and design UI library as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art movie search app using React.js third party API and design UI library as well. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and RESTful API as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that what is RESTful API and how to use RESTful API in our React app, in our React application, to create this kind of awesome dynamic and state-of-the-art movie search app using React.js RESTful API and design UI library as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, movie search app using React and RESTful API. And guys, below we can see here one search input field, and on the right hand side we can see here one button also called search movie. And guys, right now I am searching here the movie using the movie name Harry Potter. You can see here this is the Harry Potter I am searching here right now. So guys, this is the result, this is the API data we are getting from this RESTful movie API. Okay, so guys, here we are getting here 10 data. So I have just shown here only 4 data on a single page, and I have implemented here the pagination as well. So guys, you can see here I have implemented here the pagination as well. So I will use the pagination from the and design UI library. So let me just go to the and design UI library first. So and design, go to the components. I'll explain you how to use the pagination component okay, from this ant design UI library to create an awesome dynamic and state of the art React app with the pagination feature, with the pagination functionalities as well. So this is the pagination component from this ant design. We are going to use this pagination to create the pagination in our movie search app. Okay, so guys, you can see here like I told you, we are getting here 10 data. So I have shown here 4 data, 4 movie card on a single page, and now this is the first page. Go to the second page. You can see here the data is being changed, the data is being changed. Go to the, this is the second page. I have shown here the page number as well. Go to the third page. So this is the third page, and guys, this is the all the 10 data. Okay, all the 10 data. Okay, so guys, and this is the recent search history. We are also going to preserve, we are also going to save the recent search history which user can search. Okay, so this is the drop down and it contains the recent search history. As of now we will only have Harry Potter, so close this. So now let me just search here some movie name as well. I'll just search here Avatar, hit enter. You can see here loading movies. So this is the avatar, and guys, we can see each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well whenever you will click this button view details. So this is the movie poster, this is the name, this is the year in which it was created or shoot, this is the type movie, and this is the button view details to see each and everything in a nice and dynamic and design modal. So view details, see I have shown here the loading spinner as well. So guys, okay, type can be anything: movies, series, sci-fi, comedy, okay, love, it can be anything. The movie type can be anything. Okay, so view details, I have shown you the loading spinner as well. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, and plot, and IMDb rating 7.5. Click OK. So let me just go to the second page. This is the second page, and you can see here the data is being changed. Okay, you can see here the data is being changed. Okay, so let me just go to the third page. So this is the third page. Okay, so let me just search here another movie name. We can, guys, okay, search here Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, okay, Hindi movies, English movies, as well as the regional movies as well. Okay, we can search the movie using its name, using the actor name, using the actress name, using the director name as well. Okay, this is our movie search app is very dynamic, very vast. Okay, we can search any kind of movies: Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, Hindi movies, English movies, movies by its name, by its actor, by its actress, and by its director as well. Okay, we can search the regional movies as well, Bhojpuri movies as well. Okay, so let me just search here hit. So hit enter. You can see here this is the movies: Hitman, Hit and Run, Big Hit, The Big Hit, Hit the First Case. We can see the each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well. I have shown here the loading spinner as well. Okay, in the modal. So let me just go. This is the first page. Go to the second page. So you can see here the data is being changed. Okay, view details in a nice and dynamic modal as well. So go to the third page. So this is the third page, and we can see here this is the recent search history drop down. We are going to preserve, we are going to save the recent search history. We can click it. Okay, this, okay, recent search history drop down is clickable. We can click it. So click avatar. You can see here avatar movie is here. Click on Harry Potter. You can see here it is also clickable. The recent search history is also clickable. Click hit. You can see here hit is here. So this is the pagination. I'll use the pagination from the ant design. Let me just search here airlift. This is the Hindi movie, airlift. So you can see here this is the airlift. Okay, and we can see each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so let me just search here. I'll just search here Barbie. Okay, hit enter. Loading movies. You can see here this is the Barbie. The type is movies, type is movies, type is movies. I have shown here the movie poster, movie name as well, the year, and the type of the movies. So view details. Okay, you can see here it is nice and dynamic modal. I have shown here the loading spinner as well. So just close this. So you can go to the second page. See the data is being changed. Go to the third page. See the data is being changed. We can see each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Click OK. So view details. Click OK. So guys, here you can see here, guys, we can apply the light mode and dark mode as well. Okay, so apply the dark mode now. See, boom, guys, the dark mode is now applied, and I explained you this. Okay, this recent search history drop down is clickable. We can click it and we can fetch the movie as well. Okay, so click on hit, click on avatar. You can see here dynamically we are fetching the movie as well. Click on Harry Potter. Okay, so guys, now refresh the page. See the dark mode is still here. It is not going to removed, it is not going to vanished. Okay, even if you are going to, even if you are going to refresh the page, even if you are going to reload the page, okay, our dark mode will remain here. It is not going to vanish, it is not going to be removed. Okay, so remove the dark mode. Now refresh the page again. See, it's removed now. Apply it again. Okay, so remove the page. Okay, refresh the page, reload the page. You can see here the dark mode is still here. It will remain here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page also. Okay, so we can toggle the theme from this toggle. switch button from dark mode to light mode. Okay, so refresh the page, it will remain here. Remove the dark mode, refresh the page. Okay, so it's gone. Again apply the dark mode. Okay, refresh the page. So guys, okay, this is the movie search app we are going to build here in this video, in this session with me, Prabhat Pandit. Guys, we have got a lot of things to learn from this movie search app. Okay, from useState to useEffect. Okay, uh, how to fetch the API data, how to show them on the browser, how to utilize the RESTful API to create this awesome dynamic and state of the art movie search app using React RESTful API and design UI library as well with me, Prabhat Pandit. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, and guys, if you are beginners in React.js and if you are learning React.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video till last. Okay, because guys, I explained you, I told you that we have got a lot of things, a lot of new things to learn and to become master in React.js from this video, from this session, and we will create this awesome and dynamic movie search app using the React RESTful API and design. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you, please guys, subscribe now my channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please do like this video as well, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. And please guys, okay, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also. Please guys, please do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's create this awesome and dynamic movie search app using React RESTful API and design. And we will also learn how to implement the dark mode as well as the light mode. We will also create the theme based React movie search app here in this video, in this session. And this is the recent search history. I have explained you what is the feature, what is the functionalities of this recent search history. It is going to save, it is going to preserve the recent search history which user might search. Okay, so guys, and we will also implement here the pagination from the ant design. Okay, ant design UI library. I have shown here the page number as well, so we can see the each and everything in the nice and dynamic modal as well. You can see here the dark mode is also applied to the modal as well. See, the dark mode is also applied to the modal as well. Okay, so click OK. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, let's just create the file first. I'll use here the VS Code editor to create the file. I'll just use here the VS Code editor to write my code. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so I'll just create this video in a little hurry. Okay, I'll just say here React movie. Okay, movie search apps in say here .jsx. Save the file in the components folder. I'm very sorry, hit save. So guys, let me just import here each and everything very quickly. I'll just import here the React. Okay, from the React only I'll import here the useState hook also. I'll use here the useEffect hook also, and I have explained you what is the feature, what is the use of this state. Okay, useState hook and this useEffect hook. I'm not going to explain you here again and again. Okay, not again and again. I'll just use the axios here to fetch the data instead of javascript fetch method. We are going to use here the axios. Okay, so I have already installed the axios in my project folder, so this is the syntax to use the axios. Okay, I'll just import here the modal component from the ant design. Okay, I'll use here the tooltip component as well. So I'll just use here the pagination component as well. I'll just use here the empty component as well from the ant design only, and I'll just import here the clip loader as well. So import clip loader of slash clip loader. So let me just remove this open and closing curly braces. Okay, so this is it. Let me just create here the component first. So I'll just create here the parent component. So I'll just say here React movie app. Okay, give equal to, I'll use here the filter function. So just now close this. So let me just create here let me just return here all the things first. So return, I'll just create here the container div. So I'll just give you the class name as well, container, and container I'll give you a margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. I'll give you the padding. Okay, so py I'll give you a 4, or give you a 4. So just close this div now, and close this div. Okay, let me just create here h1 element. So create here h2, h1, anything is okay. Give the class name as well. I'll say here text center, and margin top I'll give you a 3, or give here 2. I'll say here display. Okay, say here display 3, and I'll just give you a font weight as well, bold. So I'll just say here React.js movie. Okay, search app, and I'll just say here RESTful API. Okay, API. So as of now, just save the file, export it also. So export default, I'll just say here React movie app. So just close this. So now come to the app.jsx. So we have to import this file also, React movie search apps. Okay, so just come up, I'll just import it here, React. Okay, React. So React movie search apps. Okay, from React movie search apps. So copy this and just come down. So here just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So have a look in the browser first. So we can see here the heading also, React.js movie search app with RESTful API. Okay, with RESTful API. Okay, so let me just come here, and as of now, first let me just comment the old app. Okay, so let me just comment the old app first. So now save the file. So we can see here, remove the page first, refresh the page first, remove the okay, so everything is now removed. We will create each and everything from the scratch only. Okay, so RESTful API and RESTful API. So this is it. Let's just okay, let's just say here h3. Okay, so I want each and everything in a single line. Okay, let's just remove this .jsx. Okay, it is quite okay, like understood. Okay, so React movie search app and RESTful API. So guys, first of all, let me just create here the form element. Okay, where we will have the input. Okay, search field and the button as well. So I will just create here the form. Okay, so close this form very quickly, open this form. I'll create here the div first. So I'll just close this div. I'll just give the class name as a input. Okay, input group. So open this. Okay, div now, and inside this I'll create here the input. Okay, so give the I'll give you the type as well. So I'll give you a search. Okay, and I'll give you the placeholder also, search here movie, give 3 dots. Okay, and I'll just give you the class name as well. So I'll just say here form control. I'll give you a p3 as well. As of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So you can see here, let me just say here p2, and let me just give you the class name as well, margin top I'll give you, margin bottom also I'll give you 3, and I'll just say here deflex. Okay, deflex, I'll just say here deflex, and I'll just say here. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can see here, let me just say here margin top I'll give you a 4. So this looks cool. Now we have to create here the button as well. So I'm going to create here the button below this. Okay, like input field only. So button, and just close this button. I'll just give you the type as well, submit. I'll give you a type submit. I'll give you the class name as well, btn. Okay, I'll just give you a warning. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So we have to say here, okay, search movie. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So we got the button here. Okay, so guys, our form is now ready. So our form is now ready. Let me just create here the few state variable first. So I'll just create here the few state variable. I'll just say here, okay, search term. I'll just say here, okay, set search term is the state updater function, useState. Okay, use state as of now, just give here the default value as a Harry Potter. Okay, just give here the default value as a Harry Potter. Okay, Harry Potter. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here the value attribute as well. I'll just use this value attribute as a this, okay, state variable search term. So just to paste it here, I'll just create here the on change attribute as well, on change, and I'll just use here the anonymous factor function event object like this. I will just copy this, okay, set search term state updater function, and now we will just say here event dot target, which means, okay, event dot target, which means this input field only. And now we will grab here the it's, okay, text value, okay, event dot target dot value. So this will this way, in this way we are going to grab here the text value of this input field. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, but just copy this, okay, search term from here, and as of now just open and closing calling braces, paste it here. So now we can see here Harry Potter is now here, put anything. Okay, we can see here also. So this is it, just remove the this. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so guys, as of now this is it. Okay, as of now this is it. So let me just now we have to create here, guys, one method now. So I'm going to create here one method. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here one method, but before creating the method, I'll create here the button to toggle the theme. Okay, switch button to toggle the theme. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So I'll just create here one div as well. Okay, I'll just create here one div as well. So give the class name as well. Let me just close this, okay, div now, and let me just give you a class name also. I'll just say here form check. Okay, form check, and I'll just say here form switch switch. Okay, I'll say I'm big 3, I'll give you a 4, and as of I just open this div, inside this I'll create here the input, okay, of checkbox of, okay, type checkbox. So we will just say here type is, okay, checkbox, and we will just give here the role attribute as well. So role, I'll give here what is it is, it is a switch. Okay, it is a switch, and I'll just give here the give here id, anything we can give here anything. Okay, say here theme. Okay, toggle. Okay, theme toggle. So let me just give here the checked equal to, we will just say here checked equal to, okay, we will just say here checked equal to dark mode. Okay, let me just create here the another state variable first very quickly. I'll just create here the another state variable const. Okay, I'll just say here dark mode. I'll just create here the state updater function as well. Set, okay, dark mode. As of now just give here the default value as a false. So use state, as of now just give here the default value as a false. Okay, so copy this. Okay, copy this and just paste it here. So now save the file, error is now gone. I'll just say here on change attribute, we will say here also on change, and now we will just use here the anonymous factor function like this, and now copy this. Okay, set dark mode, they're going to toggle the things now. Okay, whenever user will click on this, okay, switch button on this, okay, toggle switch button, just use here the exclamation mark and copy this dark mode state variable from here and just paste it here. As of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so this here is the, okay, so let me just check box. Okay, so type is checkbox, and I'll just give you the class name as well on this. Okay, input type checkbox, we will give you the class name as well. I'll just say here form check. Okay, form check input. Okay, input. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here is the switch button. Okay, we can toggle these things. So I'll just say here margin top also 4. So this looks cool. So we can toggle the okay, we can toggle the buttons. Okay, so you can see here, let me just write here the text now. So let me just below this I'll create here the level at like element as well. So level, I'm little in hurry, so that's why I am going to I can like it's expected. I'm going to make here the typing error. Okay, it is expected. Okay, so close this level now, and now open this. I'll just give you the HTML4. I will just give you this. Okay, ID this. Okay, this is it. So now let me just copy this dark mode state variable from here, and now I'll just say here, okay, if it is true, if dark mode is true, we will say here dark mode enabled. Okay, dark mode enabled. Otherwise, if it is false, we will say here light mode enabled. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can toggle the things. You can see here light mode is now enabled. Apply the dark mode. You can see here dark mode is now enabled. Okay, we can toggle the themes, okay, from this button, switch button. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here one function first to fetch the movie data. Okay, but before that I'm going to define here few more state variable. Before that I'm going to define here few more state variables, guys. Very quickly, I'll just define here const. Okay, I'll just define here const. So I'll just define here the movies state variable. I'll just say here set. Okay, set set movies state updater function use state. Okay, and let's just make it array. So this array is the empty array is the default value of this movies state variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll just create here the another state variable with the loading. Okay, loading, I'll just give you a comma, say here set loading. Okay, set loading. As of now give you a use state, and now as of now just give you the default value as a false. Okay, this is it. I'll just create here the error state variable as well. So const and error and set error is the state updater function. So use state, and as of now just give you the default value as a null. Okay, default value as a null. And let me just create here another state variable, and I'll just say here history. Okay, to preserve the history. Okay, to store the history, okay, of the user search history. Okay, I'll just say here set history use state. Okay, and use state, and let's just make it an array as well. So put here the empty default value empty. Okay, empty array is the default value of this search history. Okay, so now let me just create here one function. Now as of now if we will need more state variable, we can create it anytime. So I'm going to create here one function first. I'll just say here const. I'll just say here fetch. Okay, fetch movie API equal to, I will just use here the async method. So async, and I'll just give you the query parameter as well. Okay, query parameter equal to, I'll use here the filter function. So close this. So guys, this query parameter is going to come from this input search field. Okay, this input search field, whatever user is going to search from this input search field, it will come here inside this query parameter, and we will use it anywhere inside our this fetch movie API. Okay, and this is the async function. So we have to use here the await keyword as well to wait for the promise, to wait for the response. Okay, but before waiting for the response, before waiting for the promise, I'm going to set here something. So I'll just say here set loading. I'll just say here set loading. So as of now just say here true. Okay, to show the loading, initially, show the loader when fetching the data. Guys, you can excuse me for the spelling mistake. Okay, I'll just set here the error as well. So I'll just say here set error. As of now just set error the again null. Okay, so again set everything to the initial value. Okay, so initial value. Okay, initial value. Okay, before fetching the things. Okay, before fetching the data, we have to set each and everything to the initial value. Okay, we have to set each and everything to the initial value. Okay, before fetching the new movie, before fetching the new data. Okay, so let's just again make it blank or the empty array. So I'll just say here clear previous result or data. Okay, this is it. And I'll just say here set current. Say here, let me just define here another state variable. I'll just say here const, but define it below this. Okay, so I'll just create here another state variable. I'll just say here current page. I'll just say here set current page, and as of now just give here the default value 1, because initially our page will be 1. Okay, so copy this. Okay, set current value, set current page state updater function, and again set it to initial value, which means 1. Okay, this is it. So now I'll use here the try, catch, and finally block, okay, to handle the promise, to handle the error. Okay, so try, catch the error, okay, which might be coming from this try block, and inside the finally block we will set each and everything to the initial value. This is it. Okay, so we have to create here, I'm going to create here one const first. Okay, so I'll say here res, I'll just use here the await keyword, because we have used here the async method, so we have to wait for the we have to use for the await keyword as well, to wait for the promise, to wait for the response. Okay, so I'll just use here the axios dot get method. Okay, and now let me just put here the backtick. I'll just use here the URL. So we have to pass here the guys API URL as a parameter to this get method. We have to pass here the API URL. So let me just copy this. Okay, API URL from this example only, because this is the URL only. So let's just to copy this URL from here, and let me just paste it here. Okay, but paste it here. But guys, okay, let me just create here the API key as well. So const, okay, I'll just create here the const. I'll just say here API key equal to, so come here. So guys, okay, please guys, okay, don't use this API key. This is my API key. Okay, please, okay, please don't use it. Okay, please don't use it. So copy this API key variable name from here and just paste it here. Save the file. Okay, so I guess, okay, we have to be very specific with the API key. Okay, we have to be very specific with the API key. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, okay guys, no issue, we will have issue. Okay, so let it be this API key only, because here is the issue. So let me just catch it here. So now error is gone, so we can see here there is no any issue, there is no any error. Okay, so let it be only this API key, and this is the API key. I'm passing this API key here in our URL, and this is the query. Okay, this search query parameter. Okay, this search query parameter. So guys, now we are let me just show you the response also in the console. So console dot log, I'll just say here, okay, this response, okay, response. Okay, and now guys, we have to check here. Okay, we have to check here if response is okay or not. Okay, so we will say here if response, okay, response dot data dot capital R response, okay, dot capital R response equal to if it is true. Okay, if it is true, then if guys, if it is true, okay, if it is true, then we will just create here another state variable, or the simple variable. We can say here const, I'll say here all, okay, movies equal to, we will just say here, okay, response dot data dot, I'll just say here, okay, search. Okay, this, okay, search. I'll show you each and everything in the console, don't worry. So guys, in this way we are getting the data here. Okay, in this way we are getting the data here, and we are storing here each and everything inside this, okay, variable all movies. Okay, so copy this. Okay, copy this set movies state updater function from here, and now just to paste it here to update with this, okay, all movies variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, just now close it. Okay, and now guys, here only we will create here inside this if block only, we will create here another const. I'll just say here normalize. Okay, normalize query equal to, I'll just say here query. Okay, this query. Okay, this query dot trim the white spaces from left and right. I'll just say here, okay, to lowercase. Okay, to lowercase, and just in this way guys, in this way we are going to remove the white spaces from the left hand side of the this, okay, search query string. Okay, and now guys, now we will just check. Okay, we are going to store every time the unique, okay, search term, the different search term. Okay, so copy this. Okay, copy this history state variable from here, which is an array, so we will check, okay, if it is unique. Okay, if history, okay, history dot includes, okay, history dot includes, okay, this normalize, okay, this normalize, okay, query, which is now pure, and it does not contain any white spaces from left and right side. So now if this is the case, okay guys, if this search term is unique, is different, then only we are going to store it inside the inside this, okay, inside this, okay, history state variable. If it is not unique, if it is same, we won't, okay, save it, we won't store it. Okay, so we will just say here, now we will just, I'm going to use here the, I'm going to store here the this, okay, this normalize query, okay, and now I want to store the old value as well. Okay, I want to store the old value as well, I want to save the old value as well. So just copy this, okay, history state variable, and we will just use here the spirit operator to store the old value as well as to store the new value. Okay, but every time we will, okay, every time we will store we will save here the different value, unique value. It should be unique value, it should not be duplicate. Okay, not the same, not the duplicate. We can only store here the unique value every time. Okay, it should not, it should be different, it should be unique every time. Okay, we are not going to save the duplicate value, we are not going to store the duplicate value, and this is the reason. Okay, this is the like condition. So it is going to check, okay, if this history includes, okay, if this history state variable, which is an array, includes the search query. If it is already there, we will not store it. If it is unique, we will store it along with the previous or the old search history as well. Okay, I have showed you in the example. Okay, I have showed you in the example. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. So now this is it. So now inside the else block, we will just say here, inside the else block, we will say here set error. We will just, okay, show here the simple array. So I'll say here response, okay, dot data, response dot data dot error, to show the error from this, okay, from this axios. Okay, from this axios. Okay, this is it. And I'll just console dot log as well, console dot log, and we will just copy this. Okay, just paste it here, this is it. And now we will just again set the set movies. Okay, because we don't have anything to show, so let's just again store the empty array inside the set movies state operator function. This is it. Okay, and now inside the catch block, we will catch the issue, we will catch the error. Okay, we will catch the error now inside the catch block. So we will say here set error, and we will just, okay, show the simple, okay, string. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, please try again later. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, this is it. And inside the finally block, we will again set the loader to the false. Okay, so set, okay, set loading, I'll just again set it to false. This is it. Okay guys, as of now, just, okay, this is it. So guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So just go to the developer tools. So guys, go to the console. Okay, so guys, let me just refresh the page one more time manually. So okay, so guys, we don't have anything. Okay, we don't have anything here in our console. Okay, let me just hit enter. Okay, so see, the page is being refreshed. Okay, search button also, you can see here the page is being refreshed. Okay, so to prevent this, first of all, let me just, okay, to prevent this, okay, behavior of the form, go to the form, and on this form, I'll just say here on submit, I'll just call a method. I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle submit. Okay, submit. So copy this method name from here and just come up here only, const. So just paste it here. So I'll just use here the anonymous, okay, fat array function like this, and just close this. And now just give here the event object as well. So event, okay, and now we will just say here event event dot prevent default. So save this file And now have a look in the browser first. Let me just remove this question mark from here, and now hit enter. Hit enter, nothing is happened. Search the movie also, nothing is going to happen. Okay, why? Because guys, because we have just defined our this function fetch movie. Okay, we have not called it. Okay, we have not called it, so we have to call it now. So I'm going to call it now here only. I'll just use here the useState effect, like a hook only. So now use the anonymous filter function like this. I'll just give you the blank or the empty dependency array. So guys, okay, this is known as the dependency array, and as of now it is blank or the empty. So this use effect is going to run only once. This use effect is going to execute only once whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, this use effect hook is going to run. Okay, so let me just copy this. Let me just copy this and just paste it here inside this, not everything. So copy this method name fetch movie API, and inside the use effect only we will just call this. So I'll just say here calling here the function when component mounts. Okay, this is it. So now let me just copy this search term state variable from here, and let me just give it here inside this fetch movie API, because you can see here I have passed here the one query also. This is the search string, this is the search query. So we have to pass here this search term state variable, which is linked with this input search field. You can see here value equal to search term. Okay, so in this way we are going to link our this input field with this our state variable search term. And now we have defined here the method fetch movie API. We have passed here one query, so we have to pass here, technically we have to pass here this search term whenever we are calling this movie fetch movie method. Okay, when component is mounting. Okay, when the component is mounting. Okay, so guys, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now see guys, we got the data here. See, we got the data. Go to the data. Okay, so guys, this is the data, this is the response. Okay, response is true, and this is the search. Okay, capital SEARCH. Okay, it is the array of object. Guys, this is the array of object, and every element is the object. Okay, every element is the object. So guys, this search is the array of object, and every element itself is an object. Okay guys, every element itself is an object, and this search is the array of object. Okay, you can see here 10 data. So right now we are getting here 10 data. You can see here the poster, title, type, year, and IMDb ID is the unique ID. So guys, now we are getting here the data. So we have to just show this data to the user. Okay, so but before that we have got here few work to finish. Okay, so let me just now on this button as well, we have to call here this on this button as well, we have to call this method now. So now I'll just check here if input field is if input field is blank, or it is something there inside the input field. Okay, so I'll just use here the negation of this search term, remove the white spaces from left and right of this string. And now if it is the case, we will just we will just say here let me just okay, so let me just return return do nothing. Otherwise we will just copy this fetch API from here and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so guys, now let me just comment this out, this use effect. Let me just comment this out. So just save the file, have a look in the browser first, refresh the page, and guys, now try to hit the button search movie. See, boom guys, we got the data here, we got the data. Again, hit one more time. See, boom guys, we got the data here. Okay, so data is here, we're getting the data. And try to remove, refresh the page one more time and try to remove this Harry Potter. So now the input field is now empty, and try to search the movie name. See, nothing is going to happen, nothing is happening now, nothing is happening. So we have to put here anything inside this search input field, then only we are going to fetch the data. Okay, so now hit enter. You can see here the data is here guys, the data is here. We have to just show this data to the user. Okay, so let me just uncomment this out, use effect also. So we will load the data whenever when our component is going to mount it, and whenever user will search the movie name through this input field also, and through this search movie button as well. Okay, so okay, so guys, now we have to show the data now. So let me just below this we have to show here a few things first. So guys, below this div now we have to show here few things first. Okay, so I'm going to show here the drop down first. So I'm going to show here the drop down first. So let me just create here one div. Okay, so I'm going to guys create here the I'm going to show here the like a recent search history drop down. Okay, recent search history drop down I'm going to show here now. Okay, so I'll just give you the class name as well. So I'll just say here mb 3, and like margin top also I'll give you a 3. I'll just say here position relative. Okay, position relative. I'll just say here d inline, display inline, and I'll just say here margin top I have already given. Okay, and just to close this div now, and now we have to create here the button now. So I'm going to create here the button inside this. So button, let me just give you the class name first. Okay, so I'll say here btn. I'll just say here info. Okay, this is it. I'll just say here recent search history. This is it. So as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So you can see here the button is here, recent search history button is here. So on this button click, we will call a method also. On this button click, we will call a method as well. Okay, so I'm going to call a method on this button click as well to toggle the drop down. Okay, to toggle the drop down, we will just say here on click. On click, we will just use here the factor function, anonymous factor function. So let me just create here one state variable again. So let me just create here the state variable first. So I will just create here the state variable to handle the drop down. Okay, to handle the drop down. Okay, so I'll just say here const okay. So guys, let me just create here the state variable to handle the drop down. Okay, so I'll just say here show drop down. I'll just say here set show drop down equal to useState, and let me just give here the default value. I'll give here the false. Okay, because by default drop down should be false. Okay, so let me just create here one more variable. So I'll just create here a few more state variables. I'll just say here const. I'll just say here selected movies, and set here set selected movies. Okay, state updater function equal to useState, and as of now just to give here the default value as a null. Okay, so we will use this movies set selected movies to show the movies, to show the data in the modal. Okay, and now I'll just say here const, and I'll just say here modal. Okay, say here modal visible, and set set modal visible state updater function equal to useState. And now just close this. I'll just give here the initial. I'll give here the default value. I'll give here say here false. Okay, so by default modal should be hidden only, so we will give here false. And now we will again create here another state variable. I'll just say here say here current page. Okay, current page, and say here set current page state updater function useState, and just now give here 1. So this is the default value. Okay, so this is the default value. What is the issue here? Set current page. Okay, it is already defined here, so let me just remove this. It is already defined. Okay, so now let here say here selected values modal visible. Okay, so if we need any extra variable, we can create it anytime. Okay, so let me just come now. So now here inside this, okay, copy this, mm, set, okay, show drop down from here, and now let me just paste it here, and now use the exclamation mark, okay, to negate this, okay, show drop down state variable. So copy it from here and just paste it here, not entire things. Okay, so show drop down and just paste it here. What is the issue, guys? Show drop down and paste it here. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So okay, so you can see here, the now it will work. Okay, so we have to just, okay, fetch here entire things also from this, okay, from this history state variable. We have to, okay, fetch the entire things, okay, entire source history from this history state variable. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So let me just copy this, okay, show drop down state variable from here, and now just below this we will just use here the open and closing curly braces, paste it here, and now I'll use here the Java React, okay, optional, like conditional, okay, conditional rendering, okay, conditional rendering. Let me just create here the UL element first. I'll just close this UL and just give here the class name as well. So I'll just say here class name, list group, I'll just say here, give here position, say here position absolute, I'll give you the z index also 3. I'll just say here margin top, I'll give you a 3. Okay, open this UL, and now inside this let me just give you the inline style as well. So style, so let me just, okay, guys, just excuse me for the background voices. Okay, I just give you the width of 200 px, and I'll just give you the white spaces, okay, no wrap. I'll give you the overflow, I'll give you hidden. Okay, I'll just give you the text, okay, text overflow as a ellipsis. Okay, so this is it, and now we have to just copy this, okay, history state variable, because this contain all the source history. This history state variable will contain all the source history. So now here inside this UL, we have to use here again this. So paste it here. I'll use here the map method. Okay, so map, I'll just say here term, okay, term, I'll just give you the index as well, and I'll just use here the file function like this. I'll just create here the li. Okay, so li, just close this li, give you the class name as well. I'll just say here list group item, and I'll just say here list group item action. Okay, list group item action. So open this, so group, okay, so group, okay, group, and now we will just use here the key prop as well. So I'll just give you the index as a key prop only, okay, to this li, and now just inside this we can say here, let me just show here the term. Okay, this term, whatever user will search, okay, it contains inside this term now, but on this li we have to say here, on this li I'll just give you the so say here, I'll just give here the style as well. So style, I'll just say here pointer, so pointer, I'll just give here I'll just say here point, okay, so not pointer, okay guys, this is the property. Okay, so I'll just say here cursor, okay, cursor I'll give you a pointer. Okay, cursor I'll give you a pointer, and now on click of this li, which means on click of this search term, okay, the history, on click of the history, we will just say here on click, and now I'll use the anonymous filter function like this, and now we will just call here a few methods as well. So let me just copy this method name from here. Okay, this, okay, fetch movie API from here, and just paste it here, and we will pass here this term, okay, this search term, which is the now history. And now we will just again say here, okay, set, okay, set show drop down. Again I will just false, make it false to hide the drop down. And now again we will just say here, okay, set, okay, set search term, set, okay, search term, and we will again set it with this, okay, history term. So now, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now you can see here Harry Potter is here. So let me just say here 2. Okay, so it's cool. Let me just make it here, say here 180px. Okay, so this looks cool. Recent search history. Okay, recent search history is now here, Harry Potter. So let me just, okay, search here, hit enter. You can see here hit is now here. So let me just search here love, hit enter. You can see here love is here. Let me just search here, okay, any movie name. I'll just say here Avatar, hit enter. So you can see here Avatar is here, love is here, hit is here, Harry Potter is here. So this is clickable now. You can see here hit is now here. Click on love. You can see here love is now here. Click on Harry Potter. You can see Harry Potter is here now. So this is now okay. So our search history, okay, our recent search history dropdown is doing great. So we have to now show the data also, but before that we have to show here a lot of things first. So below this div, now we will just, okay, show here other things as well. Okay, we are going to show here the loading spinner as well. Okay, we are going to show here the loading spinner as well. So I'll just write here the comment for you. So loading, so I'll just show you the loading as well. Okay, so let me just show you the loading first. Okay, so I'll check here the loading with the loading state variable. So I'll just say here loading. Okay, if loading is true, I'll just use here the conditional rendering of React. So let me just create here one div now. So just close this div. Let me just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here text center, margin top 5. Open this div, and now I'll just use here the this, okay, component, okay, this component, okay, clip loader from here. So copy it from here and just paste it here. So I'll just give you the color prop as well. So color I'll give you a red. I'll just give you the size prop as well, 120. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just show you the text as well. Okay, so I'll just show you the text as well, h3, give you the class name as well. So say here margin top 3, margin bottom also I'll give you a 3. I'll just give you a font weight bold. I'll just say here display 3, and I'll just give the text also loading loading movies. Okay, please wait. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Hit enter. You can see here, we can see here the loading movies. We can see here the text, but our net is very fast. Okay, so we can't see it right now because our net is very fast. Okay, so now I'll just show here the other things as well. So I'll just show here the error message as well. I'll just show here the error message as well. So I'll just show here the error message. Okay, error message I'll show here again. So let me just, okay, create here the use here the error state variable. So this is the error state variable. I'll just use here again the conditional rendering. So now let me just create here the div now. So let me just create here the div, give you the class name as well. So let me just close this div now. Let me just give you the class name. I'll just say here alert. Okay, I'll just say here alert danger. I'll just say here margin top 3, margin bottom also I'll give you a 3, and I'll just say here h3, say here text center, say here display 3, and now open this. I'll just show here the error message. Okay, so this error message state variable, this is it. Okay, as of now, just guys save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so we won't see here any issue, but put here anything like this. Okay, you can see here movie not found. Okay, you can see here we're getting the, okay, we're getting this, okay, data, this error. Okay, this error where it is. Okay, from this response dot data, okay, dot error. Okay, we're getting the like message. Okay, so let me just now give your display 3. Let's just make it h2. Okay, let's just make it h2. Okay, movie not found. So let me just put here the correct movie name, Harry Potter. So now error is gone. Okay, so now let me just show here the other things as well. So let me just show here the other things as well. I'll just, okay, show here the if, okay, if okay, no result found. Okay, if no result found, so I mean no movie found. Okay, or no movie found. Okay, so we have to also show the message to the user. Okay, because okay, it is our, like it is our duty to show each and everything to the user. Okay, so I'll just check here with the loading spinner. Okay, if loading is still true or false. Okay, now we will check here again. Okay, if error is, okay, if error is true, and we will just check here if movies, okay, movies dot length, okay, is greater than equal to if equal to 0, which means there is nothing in the movies state variable, which is an array. So now we will just use here the conditional rendering again. So now we will just say here I'll just create here the div first. So div, just close this div. Now give the class name as well. I'm sorry, I'll just say here text center, and I'll just say here margin. Okay, top MOI, I'll give you 5. So open this div, and now we will just, okay, and now we will just create here the empty. Okay, use this empty component from this ant design, empty component. Okay, to show the empty image. Okay, from the ant design. Okay, so let me just, okay, paste it here. Give the description as well. So description I can give here, description will say here no, okay, movie, no movies, okay, found. So now just put here anything, hit enter. You can see here movie not found. Okay, movie not found. Okay, so let me just now this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, so this is it. Let me just, okay, put here like, let me just make this URL a wrong URL. So put here extra R. Now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now try to search the movie. Okay, you can see here something went wrong, please try again later. Okay, so this is the error message we are getting here. Okay, this is the, so this is the error message we are getting here. Okay, something went wrong, please try again later. Okay, so let me just remove the extra R from here. So now everything is okay. So now search the movie. Okay, so click on avatar. You can see avatar is here. Click on love. You can see here love is here, and click on hit. You can see here hit is here. Click on Harry Potter. So you can see here we are getting the data also. Go to the console also. I'll show you the in the console as well. So let me just guys try to watch here. Okay, try to put focus here. So guys, be focused here. Okay, be focused here. Hit avatar. You can see here we're getting the data. Hit love. You can see here data is here. Hit on hit. You can see here data is here. So this recent search history is also clickable. Click on Harry Potter. Okay, so we can see here this, okay, recent search history is also clickable. Okay, it is doing great. So okay, so let me uh, just now okay, so just now guys, we will show the data now. Okay, we will show the data to the user. Okay, so let me just come to the code now, and now we have to show the data. Okay, so let me just show here the data now. Show movie uh, data now. Okay, so let me just create here the div first. So let me just give you the class name first, and let me just close this div. Let me just give you the class name row. I'll just say here justify content center, margin top, okay, 4, margin bottom also I'll give you a 4. Open this, okay, div now, and now inside this div we have to create here. Okay, inside this div now we have to use here, okay, this movies state variable, which is an array. So obviously we can use here the map method. So map method now, map, so give here, say here, movie. Okay, say here movie, and give here I, id x. Okay, so create a div, close this, and let me just give you the key prop as well, id x. Okay, id x. Okay, so this is it. Give you the class name as well. I'll give you the dynamic classes using the curly braces and backtick. Okay, I'll just say here call mg 3, and call, okay, call sm also 12. I'll just say here mb, give you 4. Okay, and open this div now. Okay, so open this. Okay, so what is the issue here? So what is the issue guys here? Let me just cut this out, and okay, so movies dot map. Okay, so let's just give here let's just give here, I don't remember anything. I'll say here rx. Okay, I just say here rx, and now, just okay. Okay, so yeah, error is now gone. So I was like very like, okay, I mean, curious what is the issue. So let me just create here another div now. I'll just say here class name, and just close this div now. Let me just give you the dynamic classes as well, using quality basis and backtick. I'll just say here card. Okay, I'll just give you the height also 100%, and I'll just give here shadow. Okay, lg. Open this div now, and inside this div we are going to use here open curly braces. I just check with this movie. Okay, with this movie dot, okay, poster. I've shown you the poster. Okay, I've shown you each and everything. So poster. Okay, if it is defined, if it is not defined, we will say here not available. Okay, not available. Otherwise we are going to use here the javascript, okay, ternary operator. So let's just create here img element. So I'll just create here the img element. So src, I'll just say here movie dot poster, movie dot poster. So now I'll just give you the class name as well. Okay, so I'll just say here card img top. Okay, and I'll just give you the alt attribute as well. So let me just give you movie dot title. Okay, title, and let me just inside this I'll just create here the div now, so it will give the issue first. So let me just close this. Okay, so now error is now gone. Okay, so now this is it. So let me just give you the inline style as well to this img element. Okay, I'll just say here I'll just give you the width, okay, 100%, and I'll just give here the height also of, okay, 300 px, put comma. I'll just give here the object, okay, fit as well. Object fit, I'll give here cover, put comma. I'll just give here the border radius as well of give here 4 px. This is it. So now come to this, okay, div now. Okay, so now come to this div now. Okay, so we will just give here the class name to this div as well. So I'll just say here div flex, and I'll just give here the align items. Okay, align items center. I'll just give here justify content center, and now inside this div we will just use the empty component from the ant design. So go up, copy this empty component from here, and just paste it here. Give a description as well. So I'll just say here no image available. Okay, no image available. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, how it is going to behave, how it is going to react. Okay, so just to save the file, have a look in the browser now. So we got the issue here. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. So cut this out, this entire div, cut it out from here, and now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now issue is now gone. So there is only issue here only inside this div only. So let me just check what is the issue here. So movie, let's just remove this. Okay, so movie, so src movie dot poster, movie dot title, and empty. Let me just go to the console first. So go to the console, we got here the so let me just, okay, give here because we don't have any idx here. So let me just copy this, okay, this as a key, just paste it here. Now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now issue is gone now. Okay, so this is the issue now. Issue is now resolved. Okay, so now we can see here the movie picture now. Okay, the movie poster now. Search here anything. Let's just, okay, search here airlift, hit enter. You can see here all the 10 data is now shown here. So now we will implement here the pagination, but before implementing the pagination we have to show here the movie name, the year, and the type, and the button also to open the modal. Okay, so I'm going to do that now first. So below this, okay, here, okay, below this curly braces, I'll just create here the another div. So give the class name as well. So just to close this div, and now we will just give the card body as a class name. Open this div now, and now I'll just create here h5 element. So h5, just to close this h5, give here the class name as well. I'll just say here card, okay, card title. So I'll just give you sorry, font weight I'll give you a bold as well, and we will just say here movie dot title. I have shown you the each and everything. Okay, so guys, now just otherwise if it is not available, we will just say here dummy text or the static text not not available. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can see here the movie title is now here. So search here Harry Potter from this search history drop down, search here Harry Potter. See, Harry Potter is now here. Okay, and now search here anything. Okay, let me just search here love, hit enter. Loading movies, please wait. Okay, you can see here the all the data is now shown here. So you can see here this drop down is now here, love, airlift, Harry Potter. Search airlift. Okay, it's here, airlift is here. Search now Harry Potter. You can see here Harry Potter is here. This is clickable now. Click on love. So see, we can see here the respective movies from this recent search history as well, and this is clickable as well. Okay, so now we have to show here the year and the type and the button also. So let me just hide this drop down. So come to the code now, and now inside this div only we will create here a couple of para element or the p element. Okay, so let me just create here the strong element. So a strong, let me just close this strong element, and I'll just say here we will just say here year. So year, so I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here card. Okay, card text. I'll just say here font weight bold. I'll just say here this is it. Now inside this p I'll just say here movie movie, and dot I'll just show you the year. So year, capital Y. So otherwise if it is not available, we will just say here not available. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here movie year is now shown here. Okay, so let me just give here margin top 2 as well. So now this looks cool, and margin bottom I'll give here 2 as well. Okay, so this is cool also. Say here margin top 2 as well. Okay, this looks cool, and now I'll show the other things as well. So let me just copy this p element from here, and just paste it here. We will show here the instead of year, we will show here the type. Okay, so type, and we will say here movie dot type. So type, and now we will just show here so we have only this much only data. So we can see here, let me just go to the inspect first and go to the console. So open this object, open this data as well, go to the search add an object, and go to the, so we have only poster, title, type, and year. Okay, so I have shown the poster, title, type, I have shown here the year, I have shown here the, let me just show here the IMDb ID as well. Okay, so let me just show here the ID as well. Okay, ID, and let me just say here this. Okay, so guys, now let me just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here the ID is now also shown here. Okay, ID is also now shown here. Okay, ID is now also shown here. Let me just remove this margin bottom. Okay, so guys, now ID is shown here. Let's just ID make this a badge. Okay, badge. Okay, BG, I'll just say here BG dark. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just change this BG dark as I'll say here warning. Okay, so warning. So this is the ID, and now we have to create here the button as well. Okay, so I can just see here the this search history is also clickable. Okay, so see, this search history is also clickable. Okay, so now we will show you the button as well. So I'm going to create here the button first. Okay, so below this p only I'll just create here the button as well. So let me just create here the first tooltip. I'll just show you the tooltip as well. Okay, from the anti design as well. So tooltip, so let me just give you the title as well. I'll just say here see details. Okay, and I'll just say here the placement as well. Top, I'll just say here arrow, I'll give here arrow equal to true, and I'll just give here the color prop as well. So color I'll give here red. Okay, so open this tooltip now. I'll just create here the button element first. so button to open the modal. Okay, so just give you the class name as well. I'll say here btn, btn. I just say here danger. So open this button now, and I'll just say here see details. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can see here the button is here, but what is the issue here? So what is the issue here? So it's here only. Let me just put here br. Okay, so okay, so let's just remove the first br. Okay, so see details is now here. So we will just open the modal whenever this button is going to be clicked by the user. See details. Okay, as of now we can see here all the 10 data is now shown here. So we have to implement here the pagination now. Okay guys, we have to now implement here the pagination. Okay, so let me just implement here the pagination first. Okay, before implementing the pagination, we have to create here a few like variables as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here the few variables now. Okay, so guys, now let me just be focused. Okay guys, let's just be focused. Okay, we are going to create here the logic for the pagination. Okay guys, let me just show you one more thing first here only. So I'll just say here come here only. I'll just come here only. Okay, here let me just come here only. Where is the movie? Okay, so it's little down. Okay, so I'll just say here movie dot slice. Okay, slice, and I want to show here only the 4 data. So we will just say here 0 to 4. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here only 4 data. You can see here now only 4 data is now shown here. What if I want to show here 5 data? So I'll say here 0 to 5. So now we will see here 5 data. So save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here now we can see here 5 data. Okay, so guys, this is the logic. Okay, this is the logic we are going to use here to create the pagination. Okay, guys, this is the logic, slice logic we are going to implement to create the pagination. Okay, so let me just remove this from here. So as of now we can see here the entire 10 data. Okay, so now I'll just use here the slice. Okay, to slice this movie array. Okay, array. Okay, so let me just come here. Just now here only I'll just going to create here few like variables as well. I'll just say here index. Okay, index of last movie. Okay, index of last movie equal to, I'll just say here first of all I'll just say here const. Okay, const, I'll just say here const. I'll just say here movie. Okay, movie per page. Okay, how many movie we want to show on a per page? On a single page I'll show here 4. Okay, we can change anything. So now we will just say here, we will just say here this movie per page. Okay, we will just say here this movie per page. Okay, and so we will just say here this movie per page, movie per page into, we will just use this current page state variable. Okay, which is currently 1. Okay, so what we will get here, 4. Okay, 4 into 1. Okay, what we will get here, 4 into 1, we will get here 1. Okay, first time we will get here 1. Okay, first time we will get here 1, and suppose we are on the second page. Okay guys, suppose we are on the second page, so again we will get here 4 into 2. So we will get here the index of last movie, we will get here 8. Okay, and guys, suppose we are on the third page. Okay, we are on the third page. Suppose we are on the third page, so we will get here, we will get here the 4 into 3. So what we will get here, we will get here 12. Okay, so this is the calculation. Again, now I'll create here another const. I'll just say here index. Okay, index of first movie equal to, I'll just say here index of first movie equal to, I'll just say here index of, okay, index of last movie, index of last movie minus, I'll just say index of last movie minus movie per page, okay, minus movie per page, okay. I'll just say here movie per page, okay. Copy this from here and just paste it here. So close this. So now what we will have here for the first page, what we will have here for the first page, what we will have here, okay. So we will have here 4, okay, not 1, 4. So we will have here, okay, what we will have here for the first page, we will just say here index of, okay, index of last movie, what we will have here, okay, 4 minus, okay, movie per page, what we have here again 4. So we will get here for the first time, we will get here 0, okay. For the first time we will get here 0, and suppose, and now what is the index here? So it is now 8, it is now 8 minus, for the second page it is now 8 minus, we will again say here 4 4, what we will get here, we will get here again 4, okay. So for data, and for the last page we have here the 12, okay, 12 minus 4, okay, 12 minus 4, we will get here, what we will get here, we will get here the 8, okay. We will get here the 8, okay, which means the entire data, okay. So this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the last page or the third page, okay. This is it. So now I'll just create here another variable. I'll just say here const, I'll just say here movie on page, okay. Movie on page, we will say here we will just say here movie, okay. This movies dot, okay, slice, I'm going to slice it. So slice, and now we will just pass here the index of, okay, index of the first, okay, index of the first movie. So this is it, and now comma, I'll just pass here index of the last movie as well, okay. This is it, okay, this is it, okay. So as of now guys, just copy this movie on page, and we have to replace with this movies state variable. So paste it here. So we will now see here only 4 movie card on a single page, okay. So see, now we can see here only 4 movie card, okay. And now let me just okay, make it, okay, 3, okay. Let's just make it 3 movie per page. I'll just make it 3. So now we will see here only 3 data, okay. So now only 3 data, but let's just be it 4 only. So 4 data, and we will now implement here the pagination. So guys, now I'm going to implement here the pagination, okay. Guys, now I'm going to implement here the pagination. So I'll just implement here the pagination, okay. Guys, now I am going to implement here the pagination from the ant design UI library itself, okay. So guys, be focused and be calm and be, okay, mindful, because now I am going to show here the I'm going to implement here the pagination, okay. So I'll just implement here the pagination. Now I'll just check with this error state variable first if there is any error, and now I'll just check here if there is something in the movies dot length array of object, okay, dot length, okay. If it is greater than 0, which means there is something, then we will use here the React conditional rendering to show the pagination, okay. To show the pagination, I'll just create here the div first, and just to close this div. Now I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here div flex, and div flex, I'll just say here justify content center, okay. Open this, okay, div now, and let me just give you the margin top as well. So space from the top and space from the bottom as well, okay. This is it. So now we will just use here the this, okay, this pagination component. So copy this from here, and just come down and just paste it here inside this. So open this, and now we will give here the some attribute, okay. So I'll just say here current. So now we will just say here current or equal to, okay, current equal to this, okay, this current page state variable. So copy it from here, and just paste it here, and now we will just say here page size, okay. So what will be the page size, okay guys, what will be the page size, okay. How many data, how many data we want to show on a single page. Okay, so copy this movie power page. Okay, copy this movie power page and just paste it here. This is it, and now we will just say here total. I'll just calculate the total as well using the movies dot length. Okay, using the movies dot length, because this is the array, so it will have a length property as well. Okay, and now we will just define here on change method as well. We will just say here handle. Okay, handle page change. Okay, this is it as of now, guys. Just save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now just save the file, go to the browser. So we got the issue here, so let me just check what is the issue. Let me just cut it out from here. So cut it out, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now there is only issue in the and like this pagination. Okay, there is only issue inside this. Okay, pagination. Okay, so movies, so pagination. Let me just check what is the issue here. Movies. Okay, page size, movies per page. Okay, we will have issue because we have to define this. Okay, handle change, handle. Okay, page. Okay, change method as well, so we have to define it now. So let me just define it very quickly because this is the issue. So const and just paste it here. So it will, guys, okay, by default it will have a page. Okay, it will have a page. Okay, parameter. Okay, by default this okay, guys, by default. Okay, so give here equal to. Okay, so guys, okay, by default, guys, listen to me very carefully. By default this on change handle. Okay, handle page change will have a one. Okay, one parameter or one. Okay, like one argument, or the parameter will this handle change page will have a one parameter or one argument by default. So we will just grab it here inside this. Okay, handle page change like this page. Okay, so let me just allow the page name number also for you only. So I'll just say here page, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now issue is now resolved. Okay, so now click on the second page. See, page number 2 is now shown here. Click on third, you can see page number 3 is now shown here. So let me just show here the page number as well. So copy this. Okay, this. Okay, where is the current page? Copy this okay, from here, and let me just show here as well. Okay, so let me just show here. So create let me just show here the page number as well. Okay, I'll just show you the page number as well. So this is it, and let me just say here page, give a space, give colon, and you can see here page 1 is shown here. Let me just create here first. Okay, div now. Okay, let me just create a div, give the class name. Okay, text center, and say here margin top. Okay, 3, margin bottom also 3, and I'll just give here the display. Okay, 4. I'll just say here font weight as well, bold also. Just to close this div now. So now let me just cut it out from here and just paste it here. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here pages 1 is now here. Okay, go to the second page. Okay, so second page is here. Go to the third page. So third is a lot here. So we will just apply this one thing first. So now copy this. Okay, copy this set current page, and we will just comment this out, and now we will just say here with this page. So because we are getting the number here, so let me just now just save the file, have a look in the browser now. So go to the second page. So see, boom, guys, you can see here pagination is doing great, guys. Go to the third page. You can see here third page is now here. Go to the second page. You can see, go to the third page. Okay, go to the second page, go to the third page. Okay, so let me just show here one thing very quickly. Put here anything. Okay, so we can see here, still we can see here the page number is here also shown here, but we don't want this feature. Okay, we don't want this feature, so we will just cut this out, and now we will just check with this error. Okay, with this error. Okay, state variable, if it is true, and we will again check with this loading as well. Okay, and movie. Okay, movies dot length. Okay, movies dot length. Okay, movies dot length is greater than 0 is greater than 0, then only we will show this. Okay, then only we will show this. Okay, then only we will show this. So just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now it's gone because we don't have anything to show. Okay, so movie not found. Let me just say here Harry Potter, hit enter, movie is not found. So Harry, okay, Potter, hit enter. So now we can see here. Now go to the second page, see data is being changed. Go to the third page, see data is being changed, and if we will have any issue, okay, movie is not found. Okay, movie not found. So everything is now okay. We will only see the pagination if there is data in the movies array. Okay, we will only see the pagination if there is any data inside the movie. Okay, inside the movie's state variable. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now we can see here the search history. It is also working fine. So let me just say here hit. Okay, so you can see here this is the search history, hit and Harry Potter, and it is clickable. Okay, I showed you this is clickable. Okay, this is clickable. Okay, go to the Harry Potter, go to the hit. Okay, and you can see here pagination is doing great. Go to the second page, see data is being changed now. Go to the third page. Okay, so this is it. So let me just search here any movie name, any Hollywood movies name, Bollywood movies name, any regional movies as well. So we can search here any Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, any Hindi movies, English movies, or any regional movies as well. Okay, we can search here the I can search here the baby, hit enter. You can see here. Okay, we can see here the movies now, and now go to the second page. You can see here, go to the third page. Okay, so it is very dynamic, it is very cool. And now if anything is need to be shown, guys, let me just okay, think for the first, okay, for the few minutes. If I don't have if I have to show anything. Okay, so modal is remaining now, otherwise each and everything is okay, each and everything is fine. Okay, so now guys, let me just show you the modal as well. Very quickly I'll show the modal as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you the modal as well. Okay, so very quickly I'll show you the modal. So let me just go to the ant design. Okay, let me just copy this, okay, modal component from here to save a little bit of time. Okay, so just to save a little bit of time only. So where is the modal component? It is taking a bit time. Yeah, modal is here. So copy this modal, open this modal. Okay, components. Okay, from ant design. So now open this, we will use this modal. Okay, so go to the code now and go to the javascript. Open this modal from here to here, and just now below this I'll just use it. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. Now we have to change it something here. So okay, come here, I'll just say here, okay, copy this. Okay, set modal visible. Okay, state updater function, and just go down, go to the modal component, replace with this as well, and come up, and copy this. Okay, modal visible state variable from here, and just replace with this. Okay, open modal equal to this. Okay, not this. Okay, so as of now, just now on this button also, on this button we have to call a method now. So on click, okay, on click we have to call here one method as well. So I will just give here the anonymous filter function. I'll just use here anonymous filter function. I'll just say here what we can give here, anything, any function name, any method name we can give here, anything. I'll just say here open, okay, modal. Okay, open modal, and we will just pass here movie. Okay, movie.id to grab the id. Okay, so copy this IMDb id from here and just paste it here. So copy this, okay, method name from here, and now we have to define it now, otherwise it will give the issue. So const, paste it here, so give equal to, give space, give the I'll use here the federal function. So now we will just say here id, because this is the only id. So now, okay, so now we will, this is it. Okay, so inside this, okay, open modal method, we have to define here few things. Okay, so now there is no issue, any at all. So okay, so we will open a modal whenever we will click the button see details. Okay, so let me just define this. Okay, open modal now very quickly. I'm going to define it now. So before this, okay, let me just, okay, so I'm going to use here the async method. Okay, I'll just use here the async as well. Okay, so we have to use here the await keyword now inside this method open modal. Okay, so I'll just before that I'll just set here few things. Okay, very quickly, I'll just set here few things. Okay, I'll just set here set, okay, selected movies, set selected movies. We will just give here the null. Okay, as of now just remove the previous result. Okay, so let me just say here clear. Okay, previous result. Okay, so now I'll just say here, okay, set modal. Okay, set modal visible also. I'll just set here true to show the modal. Okay, show the modal. Okay, immediately. I'll just say here immediately. Okay, immediately. And now we will just say here set, okay, set, okay, modal. Okay, set modal, set modal loading. I'll just say here set modal. So I'll just create here the another state variable. Okay, another state variable. I'll just say here const. Okay, const. Okay, modal. Okay, modal loading, and I'll just say here set, okay, modal loading equal to, as of now just give here useState. Okay, and as of now just to give here the false. Okay, give here false. Okay, just copy this. Okay, set modal loading state updater function, and it just now here we will just now say here. So we will just say here as of now just give here true. Okay, so give here true now. So I'll just give you the comment as well. I'll just say here show loading spinner. Okay, show loading spinner. Okay, initially, while, okay, while fetching the data by movie id. Okay, this is it. I hope I'm clear and I'm good enough to explain you the things. Okay, so I'll just use the try catch block again. Okay, like the previous method, catch to catch the issue, and now again finally block. So finally, so this is it. And now we will just so now I'll just create here the const again. So I'll just create here the const. Okay, so I'll just say here res, and I'll just use here the axios, but we have to use here the await keyword first. And now I'll just use the axios dot get method. I'll use here, and I'll pass here the API URL parameter. So let me just go to the example. Let me just copy this, okay, method name from here, and I hope you are getting me very clearly. And now we will just say here if, okay, if response dot data, dot response, okay, dot response equal to capital T true. Okay, capital T true. If this is the case, we will just say here set, okay, set selected movies. Okay, set, okay, selected movies. Okay, set selected movie. And now this is the state updater function. Okay, to update, okay, this selected movie state variable. Okay, so now we will just say here the response. Okay, response dot data. This is it. Okay, this is it. Else we will just say here let's just catch here the error first, otherwise it is going to give us the error. Okay, so let's just now say the file error is now gone. Otherwise we will just say here set, okay, set, okay, set okay selected movies. Okay, set selected movie. We will just say here uh, like we will just say here movie detail not found. Okay, we will just say here movie okay details not found. Okay, this is it. You have to be very clean and simple. Okay, so now inside the finally block, again just copy this and we will just show it here also inside the catch block. Okay, so just to paste it here, and now inside the finally block we will again just set this. Okay, set modal loading. Okay, set modal loading again to false. Okay, again to false. This is it guys. Okay, so as of now guys this is it. Okay, so this is it guys. Now we have defined here our open modal method now. So let me just as of now let's just give it a try. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now hit the button see details. You can see here modal is now being opened. See details. You can see here modal is now being opened. So we have to make this modal dynamic now. So we have to make this modal dynamic now guys. Okay, very quickly. So just come to the code now. Just come to the code now, and we will just okay we will just use this. Okay, we will just use this. Okay, set like selected movie state variable and modal loading. Okay, in our modal component. Okay, we will use this. Okay, selected movie state variable and the modal loading state variable in our modal component. Okay, so I will just use it now. So very quickly guys, we have to just copy this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, modal loading state variable from here, and now we will just first of all come here. So we will just use here the javascript. Okay, optional chaining operator. We will use here the javascript optional chaining operator to show the modal title dynamically. Okay, so I'll just say here selected movies. Okay, selected movie dot. Okay, I'll just use here the javascript. Okay, like optional chaining operator to avoid the runtime issue, because as of now this title is not defined. Okay, as of now guys this title is not defined because we are loading the data. Okay, we are still fetching the data from the server. So as of now this title is not defined. Once it is defined we will just show the title. Otherwise we will just show here. Otherwise we will just show here loading. Okay, loading. Okay, loading data. Okay, otherwise we will just show here loading data. Okay, because because this title is not defined, because we are still fetching the data from the server. So we will use here the javascript optional chaining operator to wait for the title to be defined. Okay, to wait for the title to be defined, and in this way we will not get the runtime error. In this way we will not get the runtime error while this title is not defined. Okay, while this title is not defined we will not get the runtime error. Okay, as well. So this is the reason I have used here the optional chaining operator. Okay, we will wait for the title to be resolved. Okay, to be defined. Okay, because we are still fetching it. So just save the file, have a look in the browser now. So open the modal, see details, loading data, loading data, loading data. Okay, loading data. You can see here loading data. Okay, so loading data. Okay, so you can see here loading data. Click OK. Loading data. Okay, so now guys let me just remove this. Okay, p element first now very quickly, and I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here okay modal. Okay, modal loading. Okay, this modal loading state operator function or the state variable, I'll just use here the javascript. Okay, ternary operator. So now we will just create here one div. Okay, and now we will just give you the like open like colon also, and we will also check okay if selected movie. Okay, if selected movie has any error or not. Okay, has any error or not. Okay, has any error or not. Okay, if not we will just again use here the javascript. Okay, ternary operator, and now we will just define here the things. Okay, just create here the div, and just create here the div. Just to close this div now, and now just give the class name as well. I'll just say here alert. Okay, danger. I'll just say here text center. So open this div now, and now I'll just show here the error if there is any error. Okay, so selected. Okay, selected movie dot. Okay, error, to show the error if there is any issue, if there is any error. Okay, so now inside this div now I'm going to define here the div. I'll give the class name as well. So just to close this div now, open this div, and I'll just give the class name first. I'll just say here text center. I just see here padding, okay, top, left, bottom, right, 5, okay. And now we will just give here the I'll just use here the clip loader, okay, the component, okay, the custom component. I'll just say here clip loader custom component. I'll just give you the color property as well. I'll just give you the red, okay. I can give you anything. I'll just give you the size prop as well, okay. So size, give you 120, okay, okay. So this is it. Let me just, okay, show you the p element as well. So p element, I'll just show you the p element as well. I'll just say here loading, okay, loading details, loading details. So say here the class name as well. I'll just say here margin top, okay, 3, okay. So this is it, okay. And now we have to give here the again okay colon, because so now, okay, so this is again closed here, and this is again open here. So we will again create here the now I'm going to create here the selected movie, okay. And I'll just use here the React, okay, conditional rendering. So now just now open this and create a div first, otherwise it will give the issue. So now issue is now resolved, okay. And now just give the class name as well. I'll just say here give here like anything, okay, anything. Say here relative, okay, give here relative. Open this div. Now I'm going to create here the img element first inside this div only. img, open this. I'll use here the src first. So src dynamically using the curly braces, okay. I'll just say here selected, okay, selected movie, okay, selected movie dot, okay, poster, to show the poster. So dot poster, I'll give you the class name as well. So class name, I'll just give you the img fluid, fluid, and I'll just give you mb 3 as well, okay. So I'll just give you the alt attribute. So using the curly braces, I'll just say here selected movie, okay, dot just give you a title, okay. So as of now let me just define here the inline style sheet as well, okay. So now let me just give here the width of 100%. I'll just give here the height of 300 px. I'll just give you object fit cover. I'll just give here the border radius also. I'll give you 10 px, okay. So guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first, okay. Guys, as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now see details. So we can see here, okay. So see details, but we don't see any image, okay. So let me just check what is the issue first. So let me just check what is the issue here. So let's just as of now let's just, okay, say here, let's just make it here object, okay. So now see details. So let me just give me guys, okay, 2 minutes. I'll just, okay, rectify this issue in a bit, okay. So I'll just say here, so selected movie, okay, and set, okay, selected movie useState. So let me just, okay, give here a few space so that I can recognize the issue. So okay, selected movie. So selected movie check here inside this method now. Set, okay, selected movie. So okay, yeah, guys, you can see here, guys, here is the wrong API key. Okay, guys, you can see here is the wrong API key. So just to copy this, okay, API key from here, and just replace with this variable API key. So guys, now just set the file, have a look in the browser now. So now see details, see loading spinner, boom, guys, you can see here the image now is loading now. Okay, so now everything is okay, everything is now sorted out. So let me just go down. Okay, so guys, we have to be very careful. Okay, we have to be very careful, guys. Okay, so let me just say here h3 view details, loading details, please wait. And this is the movie poster, this is the movie name. So we have to show the plot name, director name, actor name, and the actress name as well. Okay, so guys, before that I am going to create here one custom component. Okay, I'm going to create here one custom component. Okay, below this I'm going to create here one custom component, guys. Okay, I'm going to create here, guys, one custom component. Okay, before that, okay, so I'll just create here const, I'll just say here genre equal to, I'll just use here the prop as well. I'll just say here movie. Okay, say here movie genre equal to, give you a blank or the empty string, give you a label prop as well. So give you the class name as well. Okay, so give you the default class name, I'll give you the default class name as a badge. Okay, and bg, I'll give you a bg as a info only, and this is it. So just now I'll return the things first. Okay, so return the things first, and now just close here the container div, or let me just create here the container div first, give the class name. Okay, so let me just close this div now. Let me just give you the class name as a mb. Okay, mb2 only. And now first of all we have to check here using the if only, if, okay, if okay, guys, if this movie name is not defined, okay, this movie genre is not defined. So if it is not defined, okay, we will just return here, we will just return here null. Okay, we will just return here null. Okay, if it is not defined, we will just return here null. Okay, if, guys, if this movie genre is not defined, we will just return here null. Otherwise, if it is not, if this movie genre is defined, we will come here, and inside this we will just now, inside this we will just now say here the strong. Okay, strong, and just to close this strong element, we will just show here the label. So label, and now give a space. Okay, and give little bit space as well. So inside the React we will give the space like this. Okay, and now just now, because this movie genre is the array, so this will be the array, so paste it here. I'll just use here the split method. Okay, to create the array. Okay, to create the array we will use the split method, and I'm going to split the method by the separator, by this comma separator. Okay, and I'll just, now this is the map, so we can use the map method now. Okay, now we can use the map method. Okay, I'll just say here genre, I'll just give you the id x as well. So now I'll just use this, and now I'll just use the span element. So a span, and close this span now, and now we will just say here open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here this genre. Okay, this genre dot trim to remove the white spaces from left and right of the string. Okay, this is it. And now we have to give here the key prop as well. I'll just say here id. Okay, IDEX. Okay, key prop, I'll give you the key prop, I'll just give you the class name as well. So I'll just say here class name, I'll use the dynamic class name using the backtick. Okay, $sign, and I'll just say here class name. Okay, and now I'll give you the text dark as well, text dark. I'll just give you the me. Okay, 2. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we will use this genre component now to show the movie genre. Okay, to show the movie genre. Okay, we will use this genre component. Okay, so in this way we've defined the component. So this is the movie genre, and this is the label, and this is the class name, static, or the default class name is badge bg info. Okay, and this is the component. Okay, so copy this, okay, custom component genre, and we will just now use this, okay, genre component to show the movie genre. Okay, to show the movie genre. So now come down to the modal. Now come down to the modal. So okay, modal here. So now, okay, and now guys, below this I'm going to create here the p element first. I'll just say here p. So close this p now very quickly. I'll just create here the para element, the para element, or the tag as well, we can say anything. So now we will just say here the year. To show the year, we will just say here year, and we will just say here open and closing curly braces, selected movie dot year, y capital. Okay, y capital. And now we will just give here the okay, as of now just set the file. Have a look in the browser first. So view details, you can see here year is now here. Okay, year is now shown. See details. Okay, loading movies, year is now shown. Okay, click OK, and now we will just copy this, okay, genre, okay, component. We will use the genre component. I'll just give here the prop name also. So I'll just give you the prop label as a I'll just give you the label as a genre only. So I'll just say here genre. Okay, and I'll just give here movie. Okay, movie genre equal to, I'll give here the like this selected movie, and selected movie, and dot give here the genre. Okay, give here the genre. So now we can give here the class name as well, but let it be, because we have given here the default class. Okay, we have given here the default class, okay, to this genre component. Okay, so we can omit the class now. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So just see details. You can see here, boom guys, now genre is now shown here, adventure, family, and fantasy. Okay, so this is it. So now guys, okay, if we want, we can give the class name as well. So I just say here badge. Okay, and I'll just say here bg. Okay, warning, bg warning. Save the file, have a look in the browser. See, bg warning is now applied to the genre component. Click OK. So we will show the other details very quickly. I'll just copy this, okay, p element from here. Okay, and just paste it here, and now I'll just show here the director name as well. Okay, director, and now we will just say here selected movie dot, okay, director. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. See details. You can see here director is now shown here. Okay, click OK. See details. So now director is now shown here. Click OK. So now let me just, okay, paste it here again. I'll just show here the say here I'll just show here the actor as well. Okay, I'll just copy this, and just copy this component, and just paste it here, and I'll just give here the label as a actor. Okay, label as a actors. Okay, say here actors, and I'll just give here bg. Okay, say here success. Okay, and I'll just say here selected movie. Okay, selected movie dot actors. Okay, dot actors. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser now. See details. You can see here actor is now shown here. Okay, actor is now shown here. Let me just give here the text white class as well. See details. So now we can see here the text is now white, and click OK. So let me just see everything is okay. So now everything is okay. Click OK. So we will just show the other details now. Copy this p. Okay, and just paste it here. I'll just show here the plot as well. Okay, so what is the plot, what is the storyline, okay, of the movie? So plot, I'll just say here selected movie dot, okay, plot. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So see details. You can see here plot is now shown here. Okay, click OK. So I'll just show here the IMDb rating as well. So IMDb rating as well, I'll just say here IMDb rating, and I'll just say here selected movie dot, okay, IMDb, okay, IMDb rating. save the file, have a look in the browser now. So see details, see IMDb rating. What is the issue here? So IMDb, okay, IMDb. So yeah, it's now 7.7. Click OK. See details. Okay, so movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating. Click OK or cancel. Okay, so go to the second page. You can see here I've shown you the page number as well. So this is the second page. Go to the third page. Okay, search here any movie's name. Okay, and we can see here we can apply the dark mode now. I'm going to apply here the dark mode now. So now let me just create here one method again. Okay, I'm going to create here, guys, very quickly one method now to apply the dark mode, to remove the dark mode as well. So I'll just say create here useState. Okay, useState. And now, okay, and now so this is it. So now this is it. So I'll just use here the so this is the dependency array, and as of now this is the empty dependency array. So first of all we will remove all the classes. Okay guys, first of all we will remove all the classes from the document. Okay, document dot body dot, okay, class list, class, okay, list dot, okay, remove, okay, dot remove all the classes first. So guys, first of all I will remove all the classes, okay, from the body. Okay, first of all I'm going to remove all the classes first, and then we will apply the classes based on the condition. Okay, bg tag, I'll just remove the text white class as well. Okay, and I'll just remove here the text dark class as well. Okay, and now guys we will just check with this dark mode state variable. Okay, this, okay, this, okay, this dark mode state variable. Okay, as of now this is false. Okay, so we will apply here the true or false. Okay, when it is true we will apply the dark mode, when it is false we will remove the dark mode. Okay, so now we will just say here copy this. Okay, in this way we can save a little bit of time as well. So now let me just remove this, and let me just say here apply, okay, bg tag. Okay, otherwise else we will just say here document, okay, document dot body dot class list dot dot add. Okay, dot add, we will just add the another class. Okay, we will say here bg, okay, bg light, and we will just say here text dark. Okay, text dark. As of now just use here the this, okay, dark mode state variable as a value. Okay, as a value to this, okay, dependency array. So paste it here. So guys, now just save the file, have a look in the browser first, apply here dark mode. So dark mode is not okay. So on change. Okay, so check the equal to dark mode. Okay, so check the equal to dark mode. Oh, let me just check what is the issue. Let me just refresh the page one more time, and now apply the dark mode. Okay, so as switch SWI TCH. Okay, switch. So dark mode useState, as of now it is false. Okay, so let me just check here what is the issue with this. Okay, switch term. Okay, so let me just check here what is the issue with the input. Okay, type is now checkbox, type is CHECK, checkbox. Role is, okay, switch, role is switch form input check. Okay, check the equal to dark mode. And what is the issue, guys? There is no issue at all. Okay, there is no issue at all, guys. There is no issue at all. So dark mode. So as of now just come here. inspect, go to the console. So we don't have any issue here. Okay, but let me just guys, okay, dark mode, okay, set dark mode. Okay, what is the issue guys? User state is here. I have used here the user state as well. Okay, so let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, dark mode is now enabled. So let me just guys, okay, let me just create here one more, okay, function first. So let me just create here one more function first. Okay, so now let me just below this I'll just use here again use effect hook again. So let me just use here the anonymous factor function, and now let me just give you the this dependency array. So now let me just say here const, okay, const, I'll just say here saved, okay, saved mode equal to, I'll just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, what to get guys? This, okay, this dark mode, this dark mode. Okay, if it is equal to true. Okay, if it is equal to true, so we will just say here set, okay, set dark mode, and now we will just say here with this, okay, variable okay, with this variable. So it will check, okay, if there is true, if there is, because we can save only the string as a like we can only save the string in the local storage. So this will give the true, and this true equal to we are just checking here, we are just saying here, okay, we are just saying here like this. Okay, we are just saying here like this. Okay, so true equal to true, which means true. So in this saved mode variable we will have a true, and now we will just set the dark mode like this. Okay, and now let me just copy this, let me just paste it here. So remove this, and now let me just remove this as well, and let me just say here set, okay, set item. What to set guys? Of course, okay, this dark mode state variable. So remove this, and now we will run this, okay, use effect whenever our dark mode state variable will change. Okay, so this use effect will run whenever our dark mode state variable will change. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. Document, okay, document dot body dot class list dot remove, okay, bg dark document dot body dot class list dot, okay, we have to guys say here add. Okay, we have to say here add. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page. So see, boom guys, boom, now the dark mode is now applied. Refresh the page one more time. It is not going to remove, it is not going to removed, it is not going to deleted. It will remain here, it will persist here, because we have saved here each and everything inside the local storage. Okay, so just remove the dark mode. Okay, so just refresh the page guys. I was just calling here the remove. Okay, I was just calling here the remove, but we have to say here add. Okay, so now again apply the dark mode. So dark mode is now applied. Refresh the page. Okay, so it is here, so we can just see the movie. So we have to apply the dark mode on this modal as well, so come to the modal now. So come to the modal now. So we have to apply the modal as well, dark mode to this modal as well. So we will just say here on, okay, class name, we will just use here the dynamic class. Okay, dynamic class. So okay, backtick. So if dark mode, okay, if like this dark mode is, okay, true, we will apply here the this go to the modal css.css. So copy this, okay, class name dark modal from here, and just come here. So but before this we have to and apply nothing, we have to import this class also in our file. Okay, in our this file. So I'm going to import it now. So import, okay, like this modal, okay, modal css.css. Save the file, and now we will see here, boom guys, now the modal is also dark mode. Okay, so we can go to the second page. You can see here I have shown you the page number as well. We can see the details also, okay, of a particular movie in the nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, I have shown you the loading spinner as well. Click OK. So search here any movie name. I'll just search here love, hit enter. You can see here I have shown you the everything. So see details. I have shown you the loading spinner as well. Okay, so I have shown you the loading spinner as well, guys. Okay, so click OK. So see details, loading spinner in the modal. Click OK. Go to the second page. So go to the third page. See details, loading spinner. This is the movie poster. Okay, and this is the year, genre, and the director, actor, plot, and the IMDb rating as well. 8.4. This is very good ratings of the IMDb. Okay, so the movie is nice, I guess, because this is the quite good rating. Okay, 8.4. Okay, click OK. So now let me just see the history as well. So click Harry Potter. This is also clickable. Click on love. This is also clickable. Okay, our recent search history is also clickable. So I'll just search here the avatar. Okay, hit enter. So see details, click cancel, see details, click OK, see details, click OK. Go to the second page, view details, click OK, click OK. So view details. Okay, view details. Okay, so this is the drop down now. Click avatar, click on love. Okay, so this is also doing great. Click on Harry Potter. Okay, so now let me just refresh the page one more time for you, and I'll just show you the everything. Okay, so refresh the page one more time. So dark mode is still here. It is going to process. It is not going to remove. It is not going to vanish. Okay, whenever you will refresh the page, whenever you will reload the page as well, it will remain. Okay, so remove the dark mode, refresh the page. It's already removed. Apply the dark mode, refresh the page. Okay, search the movie name, any movie name. I'll just search here the water, hit enter. So you can see here the water, see details. Okay, so see details, loading spinner in the modal. Click OK. Go to the second page. Okay, so see details. I have shown you the loading spinner as well in the modal. Okay, see details. Okay, so everything is doing great. There is no issue at all. This is the world class movie search app. Okay guys, this is the world class movie search app we have created here using the React third party API and the Ant Design UI library as well, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and I have just we can just save the recent search history as well. Okay, so as of now let me just apply here the one class as well. Let me just apply here the one class as well. So to remove the dark mode, to remove the drop down, whenever user will click anywhere on the outside area, to remove the dark mode, or the to remove the drop down whenever user will click anywhere on the area outside this. Okay, outside this drop down. Okay, we will remove the drop down as well. Okay, so let me just write the function first. So I'll just create here useState, useEffect, and now we will just say here open and closing curly braces, and now this is the dependency array. So we will just create here one method now. So I'll just create here guys one method. Okay, so let me just guys give me few seconds only to breathe in the fresh air. Okay, to breathe in the fresh air. Okay, so give me guys few seconds only. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Just create a function first. So const, I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle click outside equal to, I'll just give here the event object also e, say here e, we can say anything. Okay, I'll just use the factor function like this, and now we will just say here, we will just check okay if a user has clicked on the drop down or anywhere outside the drop down using the exclamation mark. We just say here event dot target, which means the drop down, event dot target, which means the drop down dot closest dot closest okay, dot closest, okay, dot closest, and we will just grab the closest element by the class name also. So I'll just say here position relative. You can see here we have given here the drop down value, the position relative to this, okay, to this, okay, drop down, okay. This is the div, okay, this is the drop down, and I'm given here the position relative class name as well. So we are going to check with this class only. If event dot target dot closest is the class name, then we just say here set, okay, set modal drop down. अभी काटने के लिए छेड़ा तो नहीं था ना, छेड़ा तो नहीं था।